Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like clips to video, generate clips to a whole video without you having to edit it in CapCut browser. Go to Magic Tools and you are going to select clips to video. Then you are going to upload, or you can even try the following materials that they have. I'm just going to select the ones that they have here, and I'm just going to wait for it to upload. If it takes a lot of time, I'll just use my own videos, but it's transcoding right now. You can also select the aspect ratio. Here I'm going to select the 1:1 ratio, and then here you can even move the videos around. Then you're going to select generate and you're going to select allow. Once you're done, hopefully it will generate into some videos, and you can even select from the styles that they give you as well. Still waiting for it to generate here. Like so. I don't know what this is, but so basically it will generate to this. You can even edit and export it. Can I not edit it? Well, if you can't, you can just go to the export section here if the edit button isn't there. I don't know why this is there. I think that's the template here. There should be more. You can edit more here. But once you're done, you're just going to select export if you're pleased with that. But you can again press edit more. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.